Hi everyone, welcome back to ADC SFX Works. Today we have two printers to repair. These are Canon Pixma iP90 printers, and I don't know what problem these printers have, but the seller told me that they both have the same problems, and this stopped working long time ago, and this stopped working just a few days ago. So let's inspect these printers. So we'll connect the power supply and open the cover so you can actually see the internal parts of the printer to inspect. It is focused? Yeah, it is focused. So power on. And you see that the main shaft, the main roller, is not moving. It's not moving at all. So you see, I can move it by hand. It's not even moving. So, and then the printer goes to an error, of course. So this is the first printer. The second one is this, and the seller told me it has the same problem. So power on. Yeah, as expected. You can see we have a big problem with the motion of the main shaft. So this is a simple, well, pretty simple repair, and it's a very common problem of the iP90 printers. And well, we'll start from the first one we have seen, just because it's the first one that I have tested. And the problem with this is the main gear. This is a component that always fails inside the iP90s after a while, after some pages. And the main problem is that I think Canon projected these gears mechanically with a stress of just printing, and it's not the way the gears should be projected, because if you project a gear with the only stress of printing, when the printer will come to a paper jam, the shaft won't have the same stress as the normal printing, so the gear will be broken at that time. So yes, so as I have always told you in the other videos, the way to open Canon Pixma iP90 is the same. So bend a bit this to remove Phillips screwdriver, removing 3 screws. So this one, I hope you can see. I really hope. I have realized after doing 3 videos of the Canon Pixma iP90 that you wasn't seeing a part of the last video, but it's fine. Yeah. So now we have to remove these 2 screws over here. Now we have to open this and remove the main cover. Just bend it a bit, just I told you in the other video, and with the other cover. So now you can see I can just open it up a bit, but there's a latch that has to be detached. So do a bit of levering here, and that is detached. So now it will come off. So now you have to press a bit here while doing this. Yeah. And then here there's a latch to detach here, so you have to flex it like so, and then we can do the same, and wow, this even cut a half. Oh my god. This is completely broken in a half. So never seen anything like this, and I repair iP90 printers since ever. So yeah, now we have to remove the battery, the backup battery. So you have to unscrew these two little Phillips screws. So backup battery go away. Then you have to take a big flat screwdriver and take it inside here near the connector of the main battery, and do a bit of levering just to take the connector outside of the frame, like so. So now the connector is out, as you can see. Now we have to do the same thing with the power connector. So you can just go inside and do a bit of levering to take the connector out. Okay, so now we can just disconnect the flex cable of the Bluetooth adapter. So you have to take outside this flex cable, and I don't know if it's called flat or flex. So then you have to just detach it from the main board, just like so. Okay, so now doing a bit of levering again, you have to take out the printer from the mainframe. So okay, there are some latches in the lower part of the printer, so don't worry if you hear those sounds. Okay, so now we have the other half part of the gear. That's fine. Okay, so now you can see that this is the part where the gear failed completely, and this is the motor. This is a stepper motor. So I don't know if okay, you're seeing everything correctly now. Okay, as you can see here, there's the inner part of the gear. So here we have a seizure. You have to remove the seizure. Just lock it in a way, and with a pair of tweezers you can remove it, like so. So now you can remove the inner part of the gear. So then you have to remove this bigger gear. Just take it outside, doing a bit of lever here. Yeah. Then take this gear inside. So doing something like this. And yeah, it's inside. So now take the seizure inside here again. Yeah. And now we can take this on again on the main shaft. Doing it with one end, it's a bit difficult. Yeah, as you can see now, the shaft is moving correctly as the motor moves. And yeah, this is a perfect repair. So now the printhead has been in this position away from the purge unit for a long time, I think. So the printhead will be cleaned for sure with some printhead cleaning solution before selling this printer. So if you just ask me why do you repair all these IP90 printers, well, because I sell them. I buy broken IP90 printers and I just resell them. So yeah. So now we can just even take the power on without the case inside, because yeah, you don't need the case to power on an IP90 printer. So as you see now, the shaft is moving correctly. Let's see if it powers on. And you see no error at this time. So let's power off. yeah, we had to do a bit of cleaning inside of this printer. But here we are, a perfectly repaired Canon Pixma iP90 printer with a gear problem. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope this video has been useful for you. So if it's so, just leave me a like and share the video if you want. So thank you once again, and have a good printing. Bye.